guys, today we're going to show you some YouTube secret tips and some facts. Okay, let's start. Okay, if you open it on any video, like my video, the quickest way to make your SSD run faster in 2024, I'll put it on my cards. Okay, and you type the word awesome, you will get this liney thing, line thing, and it also will be with the HD. But if you open it, yeah, you will see it's not that. And I don't think you can work with this. Yeah, it's not working. So subscribe to the channel will be nice. And if you type it again, it will disappear this liney rainbow liney thing. Let's go to the next step. Okay, YouTube got something that YouTube videos will actually get stuck at 301. Why? This is 301 views, like literally. And he got 4.1 like. How does this even work? How does this even work? Okay, you get this weird uh, channel, okay, that got 240,000 subscribers with 624k videos. Okay, let me see. So if you just put on a random video like Aqua, okay, as you can see, you actually get this weird thing, and if you click on it, very random videos. Okay, and if you type on Google WebDriver torso, you can actually get WebDriver. But what the hell is this? Okay, so you have been keep on saying like, who's this guy? Who's this weird channel that has been making only blue and red mixing weird one year, and it swaps every time? It's actually Google. Okay, if you type scene field without people, you can actually get this random video without people. And just showing you how random, like, as you can see. What's the purpose of this video? Like, tell me. Please tell me what's the purpose. What should I do with this guy? And no title. How did he do this? Okay, I know how to do this, but if you like and subscribe further in the video, I will show you how to do this. Okay, so please like and subscribe, to the channel will be amazing. Okay, guys, do you know, like this? If you use the arrow keys, you can actually go back and front, right? But if you use the arrows, you can actually go frames per second. Okay, if you're actually watching any video and you just want to watch it on the background, you can actually click on your left button on your key mouse, the left button, and click it again. But you can't make it on the same time. If you make it on the same time, it will actually show you another thing. But if you make it separate, it will make you this. It will show you this option called picture in picture. Okay, if you click it, you can actually basically watch your video. You can actually basically watch your video on the background, and you can actually move it like here. So let's do something. What you will actually just say in, and if you click back to tab, it will take you back, and it can also work with short. Let me explain. If you also click on this short, my short, and you click on here and again here, you will also find picture in picture mode. Like you want to really actually watch this video, and also the same thing, it will make you back to tab, and you will actually go back to tab. Let's go to the next thing. The first video to get 1 million views was this Nike Ronaldinho Nike ad. Okay, if you type Ronaldinho Nike ad on YouTube, you will actually get the first video to get 1 million views. Okay, and I don't know why he has 570 subscribers, but it's weird. Let's go to the and the first video to get 1 billion views was Gangnam Style. Okay, and one more fact that Gangnam Style's views was so popular that it actually broke YouTube's view count, which now is 9 particular killing views. I don't know. And the most liked videos, the video is actually the song Despacito. Okay? And the most unliked videos is Justin Bieber baby song. And yeah, the most searched video in the world is the Korean group BTS per month, which has got over 16 million searches per month. Okay, the most viewed video in the world now is Baby Shark to do. Okay, let's go to the next. If you're on any video right now and you want to show your friend a part of the video, okay? You want to show your friend a part of the video, okay? So let me maybe we want to show him this part, okay? 7 minutes, okay? Search second to minute, okay? Type 7.00, okay? It will tell you how much second. So as I told you, so you have to type shift, click on the shift button and 7, okay, and type T equals and get the seconds that were put in here, okay, 420. Copy it, okay, and type it here, okay, and click S on the S button. This. So now, if you type this, okay, and send it to your friend, it will actually send him a special prompt. Like as you can see, it actually showed him this thing, okay, and
What the flip?
it will actually send him a very the part that you send it to him. It will actually, make it better. Okay, that's it. Okay, as I said further past in the video, I said further in the video I will show you um make the video without nothing, no title, nothing. Like let me show you. Okay, so type 0 with non-joiner. Okay, if you type this, okay, and click enter or click on just click on it, and first link you will see, click on the first link, okay, and you will see this random stuff. Leave it all, just click copy here. I sorry here, okay, click copy here, okay, and go and upload a video. Okay, so once you put the video, it will actually tell you your video needs a title. So if you click paste or control V, wow, without title. And it actually shows you a one button, like literally, look bro. And yeah, I'm not typing anything. If I type a word, maybe it's some word, it can't type nothing. I type a word, it actually it adds it, okay? You can actually type a lot of words just clicking control V and paste. And that's how you can make a video without title. You can actually copy it. Like look, copy, and can you actually paste it? No, you can't copy it, or you can't paste it. Like literally, you can't. And now your video needs a title. Next. Wow, what the hell now? It actually works, bro. Okay, that's it. This is the 10 not 10. This is actually the YouTube secret tips and facts. Okay, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and subscribe to the channel will be YouTube Bye.